Hey everyone, let's talk about how to leverage Swagger OpenAPI to seamlessly generate client-side code for your .NET API and also produce handy mocks for local development using MSW. Before diving into the details, here's a quick look at our workflow. We have a .NET API with OpenAPI setup. We export swagger.json from it, feed that JSON into a code generation step for React, and optionally generate MSW mocks for local testing. Now let's see how to set this up. First, we install swashbuckle.asp netcore. Once that's in place, we add a little middleware in program.cs to serve the Swagger docs and UI, typically only in development mode. After that, your API should expose a swagger.json doc at /swagger/v1/swagger.json. Next, we'll see how to use that JSON to generate our React client code. This step is gold. Once you have the swagger.json describing your API, you run the OpenAPI CLI. It creates a folder of typed models, service classes, and configuration code. If your API changes, just rerun that script to keep the front end in sync. No manual updates needed. Let's see how we wire it up in a React app. Here, we import the generated weather forecast service and a global OpenAPI config object. We set the base endpoint to match our .NET API. Then, if we're in development, we start the MSW worker for mocking. Finally, we can call getWeatherForecast inside a React query hook to fetch data and display it. No manual endpoints or type definitions needed. This is especially handy if you want to quickly test your React app without hitting a live backend. The mocks match your OpenAPI schema, so your dev environment stays consistent with the real API structure. Just remember to point base URL inside that mock file to your local environment or a fake domain. And there you have it. By using Swagger OpenAPI, you can auto-generate client code for a .NET and React app, plus create MSW mocks for local testing. This approach saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your front and back ends nicely in sync whenever your API evolves. Thanks for watching, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Happy coding!